How to install Facebook Messenger on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on App Store, or you can find App Store from the app library. So in here, tap on the App Store. Next, in the search text box, you want to put in Messenger. So type in Messenger. And from the search result, tap on the download button right next to Messenger. This is the Facebook Messenger, allowing you to install on your iPhone. And now we're just going to wait for the download to complete. Okay, so once it has finished downloading, tap on the open button. Next, you need to sign in. So you can sign in with a mobile number or email and put in the account password. Now, if you don't have an account, you can create a new account by tapping on the Create New Account button. From there, you can follow the on-screen instruction. Okay, so put in your account password and username, and then login. And here say save your login info. We'll save the login info for your username, so you won't need to enter it next time you log in. So tap on saved, and then tap on allow. Now tap on continued, and then tap on the continue button to allow Messenger to access your contacts details. And here it says select contacts or share all 29 contacts. So in here you can choose select contacts, and then just choose the contacts that you want to allow, and then tap on continued. And then allow selected contacts, tap on that. And here say people you may know. I don't know any of them, so I'm just going to enter my PIN. So enter your PIN to sync your chat history. Okay, so after that, once you sign in, you can now chat. I do not have a lot of contacts on here. They are all just test account. So here are accounts of myself used for testing purposes. But if you have already have a Facebook account, your messenger should show a lot of the chat conversation with other people. And that's it. That is how you can install the Facebook Messenger app on the iPhone 16 series. Now, if you touch and hold on the app, you can share the app. You can set up require Face ID, or you can remove the app and uninstall the app from your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.